I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making Dahi Bhalle Taj Food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Here we have 3 tablespoons of gram flour. To that we'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add some water to the flour to make a batter. Make sure to stir properly to get rid of the lumps. Let's move on to our yogurt. Here we have 3 tablespoons of yogurt. To that we will add a pinch of salt. To the yogurt we will also add 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm using brown sugar here. You can also use white sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of water to the yogurt. The ingredients that we need consists of 1 boiled potato, 2 medium tomatoes, half an onion, 1 green chilli, a bunch of coriander and a bunch of mint. The spices consist of 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Time to fry our gram flour batter. So we'll fry half a teaspoon of batter on medium flame. Fry until golden brown and crispy. As you can see here, it's nice and golden brown, so we'll take them out. Now it's time to soak them in cold water for a minute. Here we have 1 cup of chickpeas. Now add 2 tablespoons of chaat masala to our chickpeas. I'm using homemade chaat masala. If you haven't seen our recipe for our homemade chaat masala, I'll put the link in the description box below. Now it's time to cut our vegetables like so. Add the vegetables to the chickpeas. Then cut the potato so you can add it to our chickpeas as well. Add the potato to the chickpeas as well. Add the fried gram flour batter to the chickpeas and mix thoroughly. Time to dish out. It's looking so yummy. Can't wait to dig in. To our dahi bhalle, add some chili sauce on the top. Also add some tamarind sauce. Now pour the yogurt on top of the dahi bhalle. Sprinkle on top with some red chili powder and dry roasted cumin. Our dahi bhalle is ready. Enjoy!
I'm hungry.